ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Abike Shuga àti òṣèrébìnrin Toyin Abraham yìí. I'm not surprised by the
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ kó dọ́jà ní èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.
I don't think anybody will say my story the way I experienced it.
Ètí tó bá gbọ́ àlọ́ ó di dandan kó gbọ́ àbọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ awuyewuye èyí tó ti fa ariwo láàrin gbajúgbajà òṣèré obìnrin Toyin Abraham àti Abike Shuga. ọ̀rọ̀ náà ló ti padà wá já sí ibi tí Abike Shuga ti jáde wá láti wá ṣe àlàyé bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe jẹ́ gangan. Ó yànnàná gbogbo ibi tí kò yé àwọn ènìyàn, ó tàn ìmọ́lẹ̀ síbi tí ó ṣókùnkùn sí àwọn ènìyàn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ má gbàgbé wípé Toyin Abraham ni ó ti kọ́kọ́ fi ọ̀rọ̀ kan léde láti gbéná wojú arábìnrin yìí, ṣùgbọ́n lásìkò yìí ẹ má jẹ́ ká rólé apá kan dá apá kan sí, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ohun tí Abike Shuga sọ, ohun tí ó mọ̀ lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí gangan. Ó yá o, ẹnu ọlọ́fà láti gbọ́ mọ́ta.
Added unnecessary things. It is just very sincere and plain exactly how it happened. But before I go further, the reason why I'm doing this video is because, of course, the truth has to be told. And also, I don't think anybody will say my story the way I experienced it. And for my followers that have been trying to speak out for me, for other people that have been trying to speak out for me, as much as they are trying to fight for me and speak out for me, they also don't have an idea what's truly transpired. And that's why I'm going to be saying this. For other people that are in my circle that also have no idea, or people that have already heard, misconceptions about me, this is just to clear the air. Odudua. Clear the air. It is not to exonerate myself or anything. It is just to tell it the way it is. I'd like to make a public apology to my family. I feel like they've gone through the most during this time, and since it happened, they've gone through the most. They've gotten backlash from people that are not worth it. They've gotten backlash from young people that on a normal day would not talk to them or trample upon them the way they did. They've heard curse words. They've heard curse. So my mom, I've seen people curse a child. She has cried over it. She has prayed over it. My grandma, all the way from where she is, she has seen people make videos cursing her grandchild. My grandpa, the love of my life, I'm sorry that I am putting you guys in this position. I don't want to cry, I want to be stronger, okay? But I just want to tender a public apology to my family, because it is not my intention to make you guys go through these things. And I'm truly sorry. Mommy, I'm sorry. Grandma, I'm sorry. Grandpa, I'm sorry that, people are talking to you guys the way they're doing. And also to my friends and my loved ones, I'm sure you've seen comments on your posts about how bad of a person I am, yada, 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 yada. I'm sorry if it has affected you.
I've been trying to run away from this Abike Shuga and Toyin over Sabi anti issue. But I noticed that the thing keeps happening to me, like, she don't so I will drop my 2 cents. So you may be hearing some sound. I will drop my 2 cents on it. Abike Shuga, you want my bass solo? Come over here. First thing first. There are some things you said about in that video that was not necessary at all. It was not necessary. But I can't blame you. You've said it already, so that's it. The only advice I can give to you for now is, please and please, you see this back and forth issue, let it rest. Shugo, let it rest. Maybe you try and change niche. I know you do a lot of things, so focus on a particular craft and keep doing your thing. As long as it is not Obasabi auntie that is bullying you, it is our fans. I'm not gonna lie to you. To bá di stage kan, and even I want to feel pé wọ́n wà pẹ̀lú nsìn yẹn, àwọn gan máa bẹ̀rù ẹ, kódà àwọn gan máa fẹ́ máa sá fún ẹ. There is a way rich people think, like people at that top. Only Bushman Rodu. I've met with quite a number of rich people. There's a way they always think. And when you are with them, they know you. I swear. Oh my God, Tomashi. And most time they are always prepared for you. You can see what Obasabi auntie replied you. She only corrected that part that they said 50,000 naira for movie that she actually paid you 500,000 naira. And that was what you also said too. For an upcoming actress, not someone that the face has been known by everyone, to be paid 500,000 naira in 2023, she tried. She tried. I once joined a particular caucus one time. That was during my university days. And we'll go to location. Oh, they will not even pick us for movie role. Mama bebe bye come pick one. They will not pick us. But if you phone be oṣù méjì oṣù mẹ́ta èmi dẹ̀ ní èmi náà ní gbéraga àti kékeré ni mo ti ní gbéraga, so mo gbé àwọn lẹ́yìn wá ìmìjì ní jàre, and I left them. So what I'm saying is, some people have actually paid so many sacrifices. Some people have invested in this. Some people have gone to locations upon locations. They don't even pick them for a movie role. So for you to be picked and given such money at that time, forget all those dollars you said you are receiving. Nigerian Nollywood is another different ball game at all. So on that part too, I think I fought you on that part. Then on another part, we will first on it because if this video should go viral, people will start dragging you, and I don't want people to drag you. The fans have bullied you enough, and you've tried, you've cried. You said there was a particular point in time that you used to stay inside a dark room and cry. So you've gone through a lot already. At this stage, you've gone through a lot already. Don't add to it, please. Just be doing your thing. Any fan that bully you, block that person or ignore. See, you people don't understand this social media. You just want to be eating the fruit of social media. You don't want to pay sacrifice. They will bully you. Oh, gore, bully me. And that is why someone like me, I know a lot of things I can do that can make me go to that top. Bam. But I'm just taking my time. You will rush around me. So I'm taking it step by step. I don't want to rush myself. Because I understand that top. It is not that rosy there. Go do better, no better. And it comes with a whole lot of sacrifice. So many people will hate you for nothing. Oh, she won't. Or because of the fact that I like with a particular principle. They will hate you for nothing. So it is not easy out there. So anything you do that brings money, expect that particular backlash that will come from it. They will bully you, they will keep bullying you. But you want one gas in there, one go kesi. If anyone focus the lori. So switch it up. Rest. Go. Allow it go. Block anybody you want to block. Some ignore them. It's part of life. But this back and forth, only pay. Any to mba ta, what's my locate? You won't see locate. Oh, she use your
outcome, because nígbà tọ́rọ̀ yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀, what I have in mind bó ṣẹlẹ̀, òun náà nìkan tó máa yẹn padà sọ. And if you do not went down to go check up that girl's YouTube video to hear everything she said, ó dẹ̀ sì wà lára àwọn tí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣépè fún ọmọ yẹn tí wọ́n ń pè lọ́mọ aláìmoore, gbogbo yín pátápátá lọ́lọ́run ọba ó dájọ́ fún. But that is not what this video is going to be about. Lórí wípé ọmọ yẹn unbox the package fún actress Toyin Funke Akindele while she was on set of movie for actress Toyin Abraham. Òun ló fa ogun kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. And my ṣẹ́rí kan tí mo fẹ́ sọ yìí, I'm forwarding it to people like Toyin Abraham and people like Funke Akindele. Ṣẹ́rí ẹ̀yin méjèèjì, the both of you, ẹ ti bá ilé ayé yín débi kan. Ẹ má sọ àwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ tí wọ́n ṣe ń bọ̀, ẹ má sọ wọn di court, ẹ má sọ gbogbo kíní di court máwọn ọmọ yìí lọ́wọ́. Torí ọmọ kan wà pẹ̀lú lágbájá kan, kò lè bá lágbájá mi ṣe, kò ń ṣe bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ fẹ́yìn nìyẹn. Actress Funke Akindele was in Olasco Films. Actress Toyin Abraham, I don't know the people she belong to. Àmọ́ lónìí yìí tí actress Afisi ọwọ́ bá ń shoot movie, ẹ rí Yetunde Barnabas nínú fíìmù tí Akindele bá ń ṣe. Ẹ rí actress Yetunde Barnabas nínú fíìmù tí èèyàn Ọdúnládé bá ń ṣe. Ẹ rí ọmọ school Ọdúnládé tí ó mọ̀ bẹ nínú fíìmù tí actress kìíní kan bá ń ṣe, tí Afisi ọwọ́ bá ń ṣe. And all these people have their own students and their own schools. The both of you should not turn this thing sí ọ̀kọ́ tí máa ọmọ yìí lọ́wọ́ débi pé ẹni tí wọ́n bá rí pẹ̀lú yín tó bá rí pẹ̀lú ẹlòmíì á wá dàbí ìlà yìí lo. Àwọn ọmọ yìí ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ilé ayé wọn ni. The same thing is happening to this actress tó ṣe tì nínú Funke Akindele. These children have their own future. Ẹ má sọ kìíní di cultism máa ọmọ yìí lọ́wọ́ débi tí wọ́n bá ń bẹ pẹ̀lú yín wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ rí wọn pẹ̀lú ẹlòmíì wọ́n sọ wípé wọ́n betray ẹnìyẹn ni. Look look at this ọmọ tó bí Mákindé yìí. There was a rumor back there kí ló ń pè this talking about the fact that Funke Akindele did not allow this Timini boy to work with other people. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn tí wọ́n kọlu access Funke Akindele out against that thing ni mo ṣe rí bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn nínú àwọn fíìmù kọ̀ọ̀kan. These are talented young people. You people saw talent in this children lè fi fa àwọn mọ́ra o. Stop making it look like ẹ̀ ń ṣe àwọn ọmọ yìí lórí. Àwọn ọmọ yìí ti lókìkí lórí social media o. Ẹ̀yin náà fẹ́ lò nínú òkìkí wọn ni o. Ẹ ṣe kankan ní àwọn ọmọ yìí lórí o. Allow these children to move forward. Ọmọ tẹ́ bá ti abọ̀ báyìí awádà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kò gbọ́dọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lómi ṣe nǹkan kan mọ́. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? You people ẹ ti bá future yín débi kan. Allow these children to do whatever they want. And in this particular case, one you were not angry that she wants to unbox for the nígbà táwọn tíìmù actress Mercy Aigbe náà reach out to fún Ada ọmọ daddy. You were not angry for her to unbox for Mercy Aigbe, but you were angry for her to unbox for someone else. To the point wípé ẹ tún wá ń sọ fún ọmọ yẹn wípé tó bá betray yín ẹ̀yin máa ṣe kí ni ẹ bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́.
She was praying for me normally, and she was also praying for Olumide Oworu was in the room with us. Just randomly, she said, after praying, then I said amen. She said, but I'm going to say it in English, that if I leave her, that she's going to make sure that she ruins my life. So in Yoruba, it means to ba fimile muma batieje. I might not say it as the exact word, but immediately I felt so scared. So I tried to record that conversation, and I asked her that, Mama, what did you say? Then she repeated it. I said, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́. She said, Akonse ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ lele. Of course, I was scared. So I immediately sent that conversation to my mom and my manager. I still have the recording.
Who are you? She just started her life. She a lot of people were calling that girl betrayer. Betrayer lórí kíni. Òun ni influencing job fi dá. As I am like this, tí mo lè bá vendor márùn tó ń ta gold, mo lè bá wọn polówó. No one will call me a betrayer. Torí ṣe owó mi ni mo ṣe. Àmọ́ tó bá ti wá di pé kan nu yín mọ àwọn ọmọ yìí ti dá lórí fíìmù báyìí mo gbọ́dọ̀ buy another person ṣe. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Was that how you people lived your own life every day? Ṣọ́dọ̀ èèyàn kan lẹ wà ni. Ẹ dẹ̀ fa àwọn ọmọ sílẹ̀ kẹ ẹ má sọ kíní di cultism àwọn ọmọ yìí lọ́wọ́ náà. Look at us get yìí náà tó ṣe kí lorúkọ ẹ̀. Tó ṣe kíní nínú Jennifer's diary. When they see her with another person or ṣe ló wá dàbẹ́ ni pé once they are in one particular person's movie, tẹ́ni yẹn bá ṣe nǹkan tí ò dá fáwọn ọmọ yẹn, if they cry out ẹ wá máa rán wọn létí pé tí ó bá ṣọlá alágbẹ́dọ̀ kọta ló mọ̀ yìí rí ìwọ ni wàá sọ pé ò mọ̀ wọ́n rí. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn ṣiṣẹ́ débẹ̀ ni. Ṣé ọmọ tí wọ́n get tí wọ́n fi ṣe tó yọ̀ sí nínú Jennifer's Dad kì í ṣe pé ó lọ for audition ni, kì í ṣe pé inú ọ̀run ló wà látàárọ̀ ṣúlẹ̀ before they pick that. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn ṣiṣẹ́ débì kan just because they are with this person you don't want them to move forward. Ẹ dẹ̀ fẹ́ sọ ọgbọ́n kí ni the cultism. Èèyàn kan gbọ́dọ̀ bẹ́yàn kan ṣe. What's going on? Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe live ayé tí yín tẹ́ fi lókìkí ni ẹ̀ ṣábẹ́ èèyàn kan lẹ̀ wá ni. Leave these children alone. Ẹ fi àwọn ọmọ yìí sílẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ilé ayé tọ̀dọ̀ títí wọn ni. Ẹ má fa àwọn ọmọ rà débi kó tó ọmọ wá rí wọn pẹ̀lẹ́ lómi àwa dàbí ẹni pé cause I was seeing some stupid comments ọ̀dọ̀ ẹni tó lọ yẹn náà ìyẹn náà kú ní pẹ́ dà kúrò kíníkan ọ̀dọ̀ ta ló lọ. So a lot of you don't even know that níbẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀ ilé ayé the first person she worked with was Sinwan TV that is owned by Funke Akindele. If there's anyone that has hijack anybody, it is Toyin Abraham who hijacked that from Sinwan TV. Àmọ́ ká gbàgbé yẹn. Kí ló dé? Táwọn ọmọ yìí bá ń bẹ pẹ̀lú èèyàn kan nu yín, they must not work with another person. What happened? Ẹ má sọ di cultism. Ẹ fa àwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ sílẹ̀ free wọn. Tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú lágbájálẹ̀ ní ó yẹ kó lè ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú tàmẹ̀dò. Whatever indifferences you people have. Kí ló dé tó ń affect àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ ń kó jọ? Àwa di wípé àwọn ọmọ tẹ́kùn wọn ti wà successful láyé ara tiwọn just because people now start seeing them with you. Táwọn ọmọ yẹn bá wá ní àwọ̀ pẹ̀lú yín tó bá lọ ẹ̀yìn àwọn èèyàn á máa sọ fún àwọn ọmọ yẹn pé tí ó bá ń ṣọlá ìṣàmù ẹ̀rí ni orí yín ti dàrú tí ó bá ń ṣọlá tanilé ẹ̀mọ́ tanilé àwọn ọmọ náà máa ṣiṣẹ́ wọn á ṣiṣẹ́ débi tí wọ́n dé. You think a lot of all these top actors àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ rí tí wọ́n ń lò kàn ṣe pé wọ́n ti lóògùn wọn lọ́fín lò wọ́n ni. Imagine ẹ lo up and coming ẹ fi ṣe star actress nínú movie kò yẹ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé ọmọ yẹn ní nǹkan tó gbé dání tó máa ṣe fún wọn ni. Ṣebẹ́yìn lẹ́yìn yóò mọ ọmọ yẹn nínú fíìmù. TikTok wise she's a star ní lọ́tọ̀ fúnra lára rẹ̀ tẹ́yìn ò bá mọ̀ nígbà tó ń rìn ní kẹ́ máa mọ̀. Tó wá sọ adé pọ́nmọ́ ti dọ́dọ̀ yín báyìí àwọn èèyàn wá camp débi wípé táwọn ọmọ yẹn bá wá fi yín sílẹ̀, a lot of people want to grow and they want to live. Táwọn ọmọ yẹn bá wá fi yín sílẹ̀ bóyá ẹja abẹ́ ẹja ni o, a lot of people will now be calling those children ingrates. Kò sí nǹkan tí wọ́n fa ojú actor Tìmí náà rí. That boy is a good and fantastic director. Yàtọ̀ sí Jennifer's Diary, which other movie lọ́mọ yẹn lè tọ́ka sí pé òun direct? Just because once they are with you people, they are not free to go to somewhere else. Hey, they change. People should change. Kẹfà ọmọ ọlọ́mọ sílẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n gbádùn ayé wọn. Let them do things. Tọ́ máa kúrò lọ́dọ̀ gbogbo yín tán, àwọn àdàbẹ̀ nípa yà àwọn ọmọ yẹn stagnant. And the fact that ọmọ yẹn tún lọ sí another location, wọ́n tún ní lágbájá kan sọ pé wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ fún níṣẹ́. Gbogbo yín pátápátá gbogbo tẹ̀ ń ṣe ń kọ̀rọ̀, tẹ̀ ń rẹ́rìn gbangba, Ọlọ́run á máa tún yín láṣìírí.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀, àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà, tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí, fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.